Hey everybody, today I finally get to share with you what I've been working on with Sizzix. I can't tell you how much fun I've had this past year creating these layered stencil and stamp sets, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I did creating them for you. Here it is, my line of layered stencil and stamp sets for Sizzix. This was a year in the making and I couldn't be happier about it. Sizzix is one of my favorite companies to work with, and when they asked me to design this line, I immediately said yes. This set is called Stitches, and these are images and shapes that reminded me of rummaging through my grandmother's sewing boxes when I was a kid. I loved seeing all of the colorful wooden spools, the cross-stitching projects, and embroidery, and I especially loved the scraps of lace and fabric she would keep. Nothing went to waste, and everything was special. These lace and heart stencils remind me of those lace and fabric scraps, and the random stitching stencil is what my practice embroidery looked like as a kid. I'm stenciling and stamping on tissue paper, and to smooth out the wrinkles in the tissue, just go over it with an iron. Next, I'm stamping on the colored tissue using archival ink, which is permanent. After I have enough perfect stamps on the tissue, I'm pulling out my silicone mat, some UV resin, and a UV curing light. Cut out the images, place them on the silicone mat, and cover them with some UV resin. Using a small brush, spread the resin over the image, creating a border over the edge of the image. Cure for a couple of minutes, then peel the tissue off the silicone mat. If the resin is still tacky on the other side, flip the image over and cure it again under the light. When cured, quickly cut around the image to the size that you want. Coat the other side of the tissue with more resin, using the brush, and cure again to make your charm. Try this with all the colors. Some of the lighter tissues will actually disappear in the resin, leaving a stained glass-like effect, which I really love. Once you've made all your charms, take a small drill, add holes for hanging, and use them for jewelry, junk journals, or ornaments, whatever you want. I'm going to leave a link to my stencil and stamp sets and everything I used in this video in the description below. And make sure to leave me a comment, even if it's just to say hello. You know how much I love hearing from you.